Been here in the city quite frequent times, but it was quite in and out. But yes, thanks to the government, they made a way for me to visit different places like Charminar and Ramappa Temple. So yes, now I'm familiar with the city, with the places, and yes, with the airport. I feel extremely proud that Miss World and India have come together again for the 72nd edition of Miss World. And yes, Indians themselves are so happy, so proud to back those 109 contestants who have come with a purpose, and a place where pageantry was often taken something that was not much promoted, but it's now a country who's attracting eyeballs, tourists from all over the place and all over the world. So yes, I'm very much content, very much proud, and looking forward to see what happens next. Being a spiritual person, entering Ramappa Temple, I felt I had tears in my eyes. When I went inside the temple, when the Panditji started to chant mantras, when I was standing inside, I felt that this is my calling. I'm not just here to promote a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but I'm here to take blessings from a temple which has a lighter foundation on a star-like structure, but is so strong that represents India and its future. Which I'm sure that, like our reigning Miss World said, that these are the stories that you'll not only tell your children, but you'll tell it to your children and children.